recycler. If this is your first time, this channel is all about recycling and turning potential trash into beautiful, useful items. But today's project, you stick with me, we're going to make eco bricks. Maybe you've never heard of them before. I just recently heard of them. I actually thought I came up with the idea until I did some research, and I would have called them eco blocks. But at any rate, what you do is you fill these bottles with cut up plastic that otherwise would be in a landfill or in the ocean, because I found out only 9% of plastic ever truly gets recycled. So while we're really mean well and we put things in a recycle bin, and we should, there are some things that don't get recycled, sadly, and it ends up making a big mess. So this is just a nice project to do to help the environment, and it's relaxing, and you can build all kinds of cool stuff out of this. And I'm actually working on a project right now that I will show you. It's for my husband. It's a surprise, so I'm not going to say what it is, but it's something for the kitchen. It may or may not work out. I'm going to be honest, it looks really bad at this point, really tacky, but I'm trying to figure it out as I go. But what I've done is I filled some eco bricks and I glued them together to form something, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. But first, let me show you how to make an eco brick. Okay, I'm working on this one currently, and it was from a prune juice bottle. And all you have to do is, you see all this plastic, you can use like plastic wrappers as long as they're clean. You always want to clean them and dry them because you don't want the bacteria like building up in the bottle and everything. But you just cut them. I cut them into about 1-inch pieces so that you can just get them easily in the bottle, and you want to fit as much in here as you can for the factor of weight, because if you're going to build something with it, you want it to have a little bit of weight to it. And I'm trying to get mine to be about equal weight when I'm doing it, but I am going to use brackets to hold mine together, so hopefully it's going to work out in the end. Just, you know, holding it together with brackets and screws, what I'm making. Now I'm going to give you a hint. I want you to guess below in the comments if you can. And I should mention, you need a stick or something when it gets this full to really jam it down in there. Just cut it in the face, plastic, awesome. Okay. Anyway, oh yeah, and you don't want to do this near your pets because you don't want them to get a hold of a piece if it flies on the floor. I should mention that. Alright, so anyway, I think you get the idea, so I'm not going to make this a really long video. But let's just say this was full, which it's not. You want to cram it as much as you possibly can. And I use all different things, styrofoam, plastic wrappers, whatever. Okay, so putting this aside, I'll just show you what I'm working on for my husband. And I'm not going to tell you, like I said, what it is, but I will give you a hint that, and like I said, it looks really tacky right now. I'm going to do a lot of changes to it. This is just your basic. What I've done is, this is the prune juice bottle on the bottom, as you can see. I've filled it as an eco brick, spray painted it, and I've hot glued it to the next thing, which is an empty vinegar bottle. And then I've taken Calafia Farms container, now my trash is falling, and I've hot glued that in there. And I just keep going, and then the top is going to be, again, to match the bottom, it's going to be a prune juice bottle, and it's going to be hooked together with, again, the vinegar bottle. And I'm going to paint all that, and once I get it painted, I'm going to go in and detail it. I'm taking this off because I don't like the way that turned out. It was just sort of a test. But anyway, I want you to guess what you think I'm trying to build. It's for the kitchen. That's your hint. Nobody can sit on this thing. That's another hint. Alright, so hopefully you'll comment below and give me a guess what you think it might turn out to be, and I hope it turns out at all, to be honest, but I am going to try, and if not, I will figure something out to do with this. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to make eco bricks, and if you like my channel, I really appreciate that, and if you share it, I really appreciate that. If you could do it again, I'd really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed already, that would be so great. I'd really appreciate that. And for now, I'm just going to say have a great day, because I want to make this short and hopefully sweet. So take care until I see you the next time.